Local authorities in Sengsai and across Guangxi have sprung into action to address the crisis. Emergency response teams have been deployed to affected areas, with a primary focus on evacuating residents to safety and providing essential relief supplies. The situation remains precarious, as weather forecasts predict further rainfall in the coming days. Officials are urging residents to remain vigilant and adhere to evacuation orders. Additionally, residents are advised to stay informed through official channels for updates on the evolving weather conditions and the status of floodwaters. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely and are working diligently to mitigate further damage and provide support to those in need.